Have you ever got
Okay.
to the point where you got so deep into hiccups that it got violent?
Yes.
And it hurts? Make it
It's already
stop.
it's already recording, so it should work.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Damn it!
I am failing.
Which is not surprising. Failure, break the target. Sorry.
You won't guess what I'm videotaping now.
Hiccuping.
God hates hiccuping?
No, I hate hiccuping.
Okay. You do?
What are you doing? You're not gonna put it up on YouTube.
You're gonna what?
I'm gonna put it up on YouTube. You're so mean.
I'm sorry.
You're really, really mean. Okay. Are you using my Zoom?
No.
Why do I not believe you?
I'm sorry, don't be so ridiculous. How come you don't stop?
I don't know!
God, keep your voice down.
I can't stop hiccuping.
I'm trying to watch you professionally. It's art. So I'm gonna be like, whoa! I'm gonna be like one of those professional artists. Take pictures.
What?
Oh, look at that. Shanti's pants!
You're doing it upside down. That's gonna be upside down. A video that's gonna.
Are you done yet?
No, I can't stop hiccuping.
Breathe. Aaron, nice. That's because
Okay,
it
it stopped.
until. Wait for it. Wait for it.
No, I'm done now. Give me.
You sure?
Yes, give me.
No. Okay, that'll be for me.
See, those are your pants.
My pants. Aw.